Customer service conversation in a coffee shop.
Good morning. Welcome to Bean and Brew. What can I get started for you today?
Hi. I'm not sure what to get. What do you recommend?
If you're in the mood for something warm and comforting, our caramel latte is a favorite. Or if you prefer something lighter, the iced matcha latte is very popular too.
Caramel latte sounds great. I'll take a medium, please.
Absolutely. Would you like whole milk, oat milk, or almond milk with that?
Oat milk, please.
Got it. One medium caramel latte with oat milk. Would you like anything to eat with that?
Do you have any gluten-free options?
Yes, we have a gluten-free banana muffin and a chocolate brownie. Both are made fresh this morning.
I'll take the banana muffin, thanks.
Perfect. That'll be $7.50. You can tap right here.
Taps card, done. Thank you.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in just a couple of minutes. We'll call your name when it's ready. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thanks for the great service.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your drink and muffin. A few minutes later, the barista calls out the customer's name and hands over the order. Medium caramel latte with oat milk and a gluten-free banana muffin for Sarah.
That's me. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Let me know if everything tastes okay. We always appreciate feedback.
Will do. Takes a sip. Wow, this is really good. Perfect balance of sweetness.
I'm glad to hear that. We try to keep the flavors smooth and not too overpowering.
And this muffin, super moist. You guys bake this here?
Yes, our baker comes in early every morning. We're happy to hear you're enjoying it.
Definitely. I'll be coming back for this combo again.
Awesome. If you ever want to try something new, just ask. We also have a rewards program if you're interested. Every 7th drink is free.
Oh, nice. How do I sign up?
You can download our app or just give your phone number at checkout next time. Easy and free.
Sounds good. I'll do that. Thanks again for the great service.
Thank you, Sarah. Have a lovely day and enjoy the rest of your morning.
You too.
Next day, Sarah walks into the coffee shop with her friend Mia. Hey, welcome back. Good to see you again.
Hi. Told you I'd come back, and I brought my friend with me this time.
She's been talking about that caramel latte nonstop.
That's what we like to hear. Welcome, Mia. Can I get you both the usual or something different today?
I'll stick with the caramel latte with oat milk. It was perfect.
I'm thinking of trying something new. Do you have anything not too sweet?
Definitely. You might like our flat white, smooth, strong, and not sweet at all. Or we can do a cappuccino with just a hint of cocoa.
Cappuccino sounds good. I'll try that, please.
Great choice. Would you like any milk alternatives?
Just regular milk is fine.
Got it. One caramel latte with oat milk and one cappuccino with regular milk. Anything to eat today?
Not for me, but Mia. They have gluten-free banana muffins.
Ooh, tempting, but I'll pass for now. Maybe next time.
No problem. That'll be $9.60. You can pay together or separately.
I got this one. Taps card. Also, can you add my points for the rewards?
Absolutely. Phone number?
It's 555-0199.
All set. You're now 2 drinks closer to a free one. We'll call your name when it's ready.
Thanks. You guys have a really nice vibe here.
Thank you. We try to make everyone feel at home. Drinks will be ready shortly.